In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. First, open ClickUp and head to Home from the left sidebar. This is your command center, and from here we'll create a dedicated space to keep related work organized. Click on Spaces in the sidebar, then hit the plus sign to add a new space. Think of a space as a container for a team, department, or project. Give it a clear name and a short description so anyone joining later instantly understands what belongs here. When you're happy, click Continue. Next, define your workflow. For now, choose the starter option. This gives you a simple set of statuses that cover most basic processes without overwhelming you. You can always adjust it later as your team matures. You'll see options for default views. Views are different ways to see the same tasks, like list, board, or calendar. Keep the defaults unless you have a strong preference. The standard set works well for most teams. You'll also review task statuses. These are the steps a task moves through from start to finish. The default set is fine for getting started, and you can rename or expand them down the road. Click apps are lightweight feature toggles that add power to your space, like priorities or time tracking. If you're new, keep the essential ones on and avoid toggling too many at once. It's easier to add features as you need them than to remove clutter later. Now click Create Space. With your space ready, let's add your first task. Click to start a new task and give it a specific, action-oriented title. If needed, add helpful details in the description so anyone picking it up knows exactly what to do. Assign the task to the right person by choosing an assignee. Setting an owner creates accountability and makes sure the work doesn't get lost. Then choose a due date. Dates help with prioritization and make planning and calendar views much easier. Click Save. You can keep adding tasks the same way to build out your backlog quickly. As you go, set the priority for each task. Use it to highlight urgency or impact so your team knows what to tackle first. When you're ready to visualize your work, click on View at the top and switch to Calendar. Here you'll see tasks laid out by date, which is perfect for planning sprints, tracking deadlines, and spotting overloads. You can move tasks on the calendar to adjust dates and keep your schedule realistic. That's it. You've created a space, set up a simple workflow, and started managing tasks in ClickUp with clarity and confidence.